the pitchfork and the...
Well, when that red light came on, it's like... Hey everybody, welcome back to Italy Bound. I'm Matt, this is my wife Diane.
Today we are going to be diving into a charming town in the Abruzzo region called Atri. This place, it has it all. It's got history, culture, food, everything you can think of.
Atri is one of Italy's oldest towns that dates back to the pre-Roman times. Atri is perched on the hills with stunning views of the Adriatic Sea on one side and the Apennine Mountains on the other.
And local activities in this area are great. You can hike the rolling hills, you can take part in olive oil or wine tasting, you can even join a ceramics workshop if that's your thing, and try your hand at the traditional crafts. And another thing, there are 10,000 people in Atri, so it's going to have all of the amenities that you need.
And it will be 7%.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Atri's history is just totally incredible. It's the home of the Atri Cathedral, which is a 13th century masterpiece with stunning frescoes that were done by a subject out of Abruzzo. His name was Andrea di Lidio.
And don't miss the ancient Roman cisterns, which used to provide all of the water for the town. And it is said that they are an engineering marvel. And if you're looking for a bit of adventure, you can visit the Calanchi di Atri, which are some unique badlands just outside of town. And these eroded clay foundations or formations are a natural wonder.
Now, if y'all are planning on moving there to Atri, it is very affordable there. If you want to rent a one-bedroom apartment, it'll run you anywhere from 400 to 500 euros, which comes out to approximately $430 to $540 per month. Now, if you're looking at buying a place, you're going to be, on an average, paying about 1,200 euros per square meter, which comes out to approximately $1,290 per square meter.
So I'm going to go ahead and throw in an example of a home in Atri so that you can see what the homes look like and what they're going for. And we also recently had a request to start showing rental properties. So I was able to find a rental property here in Atri, and we'll put that in as well. Okay, y'all, so this is an example of a house that is for sale in Atri.
Okay, this villa is 270,000 euros, which comes out to approximately $277,300. It is 155 square meters, which is about 1,670 square feet. It is 4 bedroom and 3 bath. It has AC and heat. You have your own private garden, and you have a terrace.
Okay, so here it looks like is your outside patio with your garden. Pretty.
Which I could see you out there getting that looking real nice.
Of course. And there's the outside, and the building is outlined in red right there. And there, and there, and there. There's the garden again. Patio.
So that's the garage right there to park your car in.
There's your view. Okay, so this is your living dining. It's a good size room.
You got some nice stairs going up.
It's really pretty. This looks like it's going to be the kitchen. Nice kitchen.
Looks like it's got a pellet stove in there.
Good size kitchen.
And you got gas. There's your
Big
door
doors
leading.
back there.
Yeah, door leading out to a nice area to have your coffee.
Yeah, and you can cook and then eat outside.
Heck yeah.
Okay, one of the bedrooms with AC, which would make you
Very happy.
And then looks like another one.
There's the single bedroom.
Bathroom, one of them. Different one.
That's another bathroom.
What is in that? Never mind. What is that in that window?
It almost looks like a leg or an arm, but it's not.
Okay, and moving on. Okay, bathroom.
Going up to the last level right there, you got another bedroom.
Yep. They're using this as an office, looks like, which I probably would
I'd
too.
probably use that as a big TV room.
Well, heat rises. I probably want to go down instead of up.
I don't know. Here lately, I've been cold, which is unheard of.
There's another
Angle.
view of that. Another bathroom.
That's the bathroom up there with that big room. And that's your garage down there on the ground floor. They're definitely using it for storage.
Mm-hmm. And then here is your map. And you've got a supermarket, looks like right across the street just about. You've got bars and churches and restaurants. So you've got a hotel. You've got everything that you need.
Everything you need.
Yeah. This is an example of an apartment that is for rent in Atri.
This apartment is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It's renting for €500 a month, which comes out to approximately $513 a month. It's 70 square meters, which is about 750 square feet. It has heat, and it does come furnished. One thing I do need to point out is a lot of places that they have for rent out there, normally you have to supply your own kitchen. So you're actually getting a pretty decent deal on this one.
Yep. All right, so some of these pictures are big, some of them are small, I'm sorry, but here is the kitchen, which as you can see is new, and that's a nice kitchen. And this looks like the living room, dining room. And then here's one of the bedrooms. And I'm going to assume that that is another bedroom.
That's the hallway right here.
Yeah. Yeah, that was another
that's
bedroom.
the other bedroom.
And then there's the dining area.
And there's your view.
There's your view. You have some big windows. And there's a wardrobe, which is kind of cool.
That comes in handy.
Yeah, it does. And a very blue bathroom. And then there's the hallway.
Back to the hallway.
And then that's it. There's a fireplace.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it said it had a balcony.
It's probably running off that one with the door.
Yeah.
Right there.
There it is. So that is an apartment for rent in Atri. For those of you who prefer a villa, like outside of town with olive groves, you're looking at about 150,000 to 300,000 euros, or 161,000 to $323, depending on the size and location.
Which is worth it.
And so let's now talk about the cost of living. A couple can live comfortably there on between 1,200 to 1,500 euros a month, which comes out to 1,290 to $1,615 per month. And that includes rent, groceries, utilities, and dining out. So it is much more affordable than the bigger towns in Italy.
The Aqua Viva. Oh my gosh.
Aqua Viva. Aqua Velvet. Isn't that
Aquavelva.
Aquavelva?
That's
Actually, I'm trying not to laugh and make that guy so annoyed like he was when I was laughing in the other one.
He said we were high on something.
No, that was somebody else that said we were high.
Oh.
This dude just
Oh,
said,
the
"Why
other
is
guy
she
just said,
laughing?
why is she laughing? She's so annoying. Yeah.
Rude.
Stop being annoying.
Stop laughing.
Okay. I'll laugh if I want to. You just keep scrolling.
I'm going to be annoying if I want to. Atri offers all of the essentials. It's got supermarkets, pharmacies, banks, and a weekly market in the Piazza Ducci di Acquaviva.
And I believe that's actually pronounced as Ducci di Acquaviva.
It can't be, y'all. It just can't be.
D-U-C-H-I. Ducci.
That's unfortunate.
In the Italian language. In the American language, it's Ducci.
If y'all know what it is, please put it in the comments below. It can't be.
The healthcare in Atri is excellent. The town has a small hospital with several clinics, and Pescara is only 30 minutes away, which they've actually got top-notch medical facilities there.
And safety is a big plus here in Atri. The crime rates here are very low, and so it's the kind of place where you can walk the streets at night and not worry at all.
And with the locals being very friendly and the community being very close-knit, that's one thing that'll give you one of those sense of security there in the town. Now let's talk about the weather. Atri has a Mediterranean climate, which means that the summers are going to be extremely warm. They range from 28 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And winters are also cold there, but rarely do they get below 6 degrees Celsius, which is 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Now this last year, during their summertime, they had record high temperatures and they were up in the hundreds.
Yeah. But spring and autumn are gorgeous, and it's perfect for exploring the countryside or doing outdoor activities. It's beautiful in the spring and autumn. One of the most famous events in Atri is the Atri Cup, which is a sailing regatta that attracts people from all over Europe.
And let's not forget about the Festa di Santa Reparata, I believe it is. And that's held in May, and that's one of those vibrant religious festivals. And for the ones that want to do the foodie festivals, there's the Sagra del Pecorino, which they usually celebrate the famous pecorino cheese.
And speaking of food, Atri is famous for their pecorino cheese, their honey, and their licorice. And
let's not forget about their arrosticinis, those lamb skewers that we talked about before in the other videos. That put with the Montepulciano wines out there, that's just a perfect pairing. Bacchanaughty.
Bacchanaughty. Naughty.
You're so bacchanaughty.
You're naughty. You're bacchanaughty. For dessert lovers, try bacchanaughty. That is a pastry that is filled with jam and nuts, and you will find these desserts in almost every bakery.
God, that sounds so good too.
Yeah, it does.
Now on transportation, getting around, it's pretty easy. Pescara's about 30 kilometers away, which is about 18 miles. So Dr. Doris, that's easy to travel right there, since they have buses too. So if you want to schedule some flight to another European city, you can do that right there in Pescara.
And public transportation is reliable. They have buses that connect Atri to the nearby towns and the cities. However, having a car is preferred so that you can do more exploring. Living in Atri means embracing the slow life. Yes, please. Who doesn't want to experience the slow life? Like an afternoon espresso in the piazza, walking along the countryside, or even attending a local cooking class.
Which I think we should do when
Absolutely.
we get there. Now, for those outdoor enthusiasts, you've got the hiking trails. You can go out there and hike those mountains or whatever you want to do. You can get in the car, drive up the coast. You got beautiful views all the way through.
Yeah, and don't forget, there are plenty of art galleries and museums, and so there's a lot of history and culture to be seen there too.
And those markets around town. That's what we're looking for.
Yeah.
Okay, so there you have it. Atri is a perfect blend of history. It's got culture, and it's got also the modern amenities.
Yeah, and if you're looking for an affordable, picturesque, words are hard, town, a peaceful place to call home or to visit, then Atri should be on your list. So let us know in the comments, what do you guys think of Atri? Is this a place that you think that you could retire to or move to?
I think it's a place where we could. I mean, this city has got everything that you need. It's got all the transportation. It's got bars, restaurants. It's got markets, stores. It has the healthcare. You've got numerous clinics. You've got a small hospital. You've got Pescara 18 miles away.
It's safe.
And it is a safe place.
Yep.
So it's definitely a place. And you've got mountains on one side, sea view on the other.
Gang's all here.
So we've got it all.
So yeah, I think this would be an excellent place to retire to. Mm-hmm. So I'm glad we found this one. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be informed of when our next video is going to come out, which will be next Friday at 3 p.m. Central. So we will see you guys next week.
Ciao.